In today's video, I'll show you on how you can integrate Stripe payment gateway in websites. First things first, head over to your Stripe dashboard, and from here you want to click on the payment links. Click create test payment links or create payment links, and basically this is where we can customize our link. Now you want to add or find a product. In my case, I'm just going to click on the test button. Now you can add the description, but to make things easier, I'll just set it at $10. Click on add product, and now that we have our product set up, you can now go ahead and add options if you want to, but we also have advanced options right here if you want to go ahead and do so. And basically right after that, you just want to click on the create link button at the top right corner of your screen, and inside this page you want to copy the actual Stripe URL and add this to your website. Or if you want to add the URL or you want to integrate it directly, we also have a code right here that you can add as a card or as a button. You just want to click on the buy button, which is going to be beside the actual link of your Stripe payment, and basically this is how it will look. If you click on button, it will then look something like this. Once again, you can customize this the way you want to. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.